Planning, creating a task structure. In this video, we will introduce the tools for creating a task structure within a project in the Cerebro system. As an example, let us consider the creation of a promotional booklet for a marketing department. This project would consist of several stages: writing text, creating pictures, layouts, etc. In the project root directory in Cerebro, set up a booklet creation task. This will be a container task. That is, inside it, there will be a set of subtasks, the phased implementation of which will ensure the execution of the top-level task. In general, the level of nesting within Cerebro is unlimited. Any container task may contain a task structure of unlimited complexity. To create a promotional booklet, it will be sufficient to set multiple subtasks on one level for each stage of work. The first operation that we will need is the new task creation. To create it, we first need to select a parent task in Cerebro, and a new subtask will be created within. So in the example given above, we would need to choose the task of creating a booklet and then add subsequent stages within it. You can click the button in the toolbar or click on New Task in the context menu. A window appears consisting of the Task Property Editor at the top and Form Message Editor at the bottom. In the top part, you can set the main attributes of the new task: task's name, activity type, select from a pre-configured list. Priority, by default, this is set to normal. It can be changed. Status, default status is not set and it will change as the task progresses. When creating a new task, you can immediately assign its executor, but at the stage of creating the task structure, while the project has not yet commenced, this is not essential. At the bottom of the new task window, there is a message editor where you can write a definition for the task and attach the files associated with it. For example, documents or images. When editing is complete, you can click one of the following buttons. Save and close creates the task and closes the window. Save and new task. After creating a task, a window appears for creating the next task of the same level. Similarly, we will create the remaining stages in Cerebro in order, filling in their main attributes and setting tasks. Each task in the Cerebro system has a set of different attributes: activity type, task status, and time-related characteristics. How many man-hours are allocated to it, calendar days on which the start and end are scheduled, list of assigned performers, and so on. All these properties can be displayed and edited as a table in the Navigator window and in the other tabs in Cerebro. And you can customize which columns and in which order they show. Usually, in the Cerebro system, detailed attribute setting and executor assignment are performed on tasks of the lowest level nesting, while container tasks of the upper levels serve as nodes for collecting statistics on subtasks: total planned and actual time spent, overall status, budget, and so on. Note that the table can be sorted by any task attribute, for example, by name, status, start time, and so on. If you want to manually set the order of tasks displayed in the table, turn on Sorting by the Order column and set your own order by dragging.